As I shout as people who are in PDP. PDP!
Power to the people!
Power to the people!
PDP!
Power to our women!
PDP!
Power to our youths!
PDP!
Power to our senator!
PDP!
Power to Calabari!
PDP!
Power to River State!
PDP!
Our dear leaders, let me, on behalf of my entourage, appreciate and thank the people of Asari for coming out in your numbers this morning to welcome us for what I may term as a victory rally, not as a campaign rally.
Yes, sir.
What we are seeing today reconfirms our belief that Asari Toro is PDP and PDP is
Asari Toro.
Now, a lot of the speakers have said so many things. I remember when I came here in 2014, 2015 to campaign for you, the Asari Toro people, for you, the Calabari people, to support me and my team, and that if you do that, we will come back and thank you. One of the things we used to thank you is first to make sure we start and finish the first phase of Trans-Calabari Road. You all agree with me that this road is so important in order to link up all the other communities to those who are already in the mainland. In politics, the electorate must ensure that those who come to talk to them will not just talk to them, but will make sure what they say to them, they will implement it. I'm not coming to talk to you from morning till night, and I convince you, and you go and vote. At the end of the day, what we hear, excuses upon excuses. We have not done anything in Calabari land. Is it possible?
No.
Is it possible?
No.
Now let me tell you, for those of them who don't come home, they only come home when there's a burial. Then nobody don't come home. Not be true?
Not true.
Most of them self cannot speak your language. Is it the kind of people you go and vote for?
No.
The government of APC in this state from 2007 to 2015 promised you heaven and earth. Did you get anyone?
No.
Did you get heaven?
No.
Did you even get the earth?
No.
We came. I hear this very well. Go to Harristown, Obama. Go and see the school there, whether it is ready or not. Go to Bakara. Go and see the school, whether it's ready or not. Go to Tombia. Go and see the school, whether it's ready or not. I've mentioned 3 in Degeba. Is it not? Now, in Asari Toro, look at the Sanfield in Abalama. Look at the Marywood girls that everybody had thought will die. Have we not brought it back?
Yes, sir.
Have we not brought it back?
We have.
But let me apologize to you of the KNC. We gave it to one of your sons. This is what will suffer. But I want to assure you, before I leave May 29, that school will be finished. Now go to Agugutoro. Before, it is difficult to connect Obama and Abonima. When I came, I had to free that bridge. Not be so.
Not so.
Not be so.
Not so.
Before now, when you're entering Abonima, sorry, our leaders who are here, you know, one tiny narrow, you pass one house, sometimes you pass one toilet, sometimes you go this way. It is even difficult for two vehicles to pass. Today, that's a ring road. Did we do it or not?
You did it.
Did I do it or not?
You did it.
We promise to Sanfil, Obonoma, and Abonima. Are we doing it or not?
You are doing it.
Are we doing it or not?
You are doing it, though.
Do you know, to my greatest surprise, we went to Degema for campaign. After the first day, I flagged off this first phase of Trans-Calabari. That day, I said, I must go and see what the road looks like. Do you know, when we got there, we got to Kakama first. I said, God, you are wonderful. I said, God, you are
Wonderful.
We went Minama, Sangama, Angolama, Omekwama, whatever.
Grassroots.
You know, I said, look, I said, God, even if I live today, I feel fulfilled.
Yes, sir.
What is all about governance? Governance is to make your people happy.
Yes,
Make
sir.
them to have a sense of belonging, that they're also part of this state. Even if I've not achieved anything, but I achieved this first phase of Trans-Calabari Road. So the promise I made to the people of Calabari, I have fulfilled the promise. So tell those who are running for governor, they say they are from here, they are from there. I don't even know where. When they go to television, they say nothing. Tell them, since you say you don't see, may you continue to be blind. May they continue to be blind.
Amen.
Any of them running this election from here and said they've never seen the first phase of Trans-Calabari, may they not see again in their life. Now, my successor has told you the second phase of Trans-Calabari. No, be so?
That's so.
Agreement is what?
Agreement.
Agreement is what?
Agreement.
So it is for you now to do your own. Having done your own, he has no choice. Like I did, I kept to my promises, and he must keep to his promises. So you vote, then him do the second phase of Trans-Calabari Road. But to also tell you that by the time, before this February 25th, we would have flagged up the dualization from east-west, Emohua, to Telma Junction. And it is going to be done by Julius Berger. And it will be dualization with street light from east-west road down to Telma Junction.
Now, wow.
So, to tell you how we value you, to tell you how we cherish you, to tell you how important you are to this administration and our party. Our party in Rivers State. As it depends them,
It is sweet us.
as it is sweet us. don't make problem. Some people are not prepared for this election. We were over-prepared.
Yes, so
We are over-prepared.
prepared.
So they are looking for what they will use to delay or make sure election does not hold. But this election must
Hold.
This election must do what?
Hold.
And when you hold, we will win. Not be so. Are we not going to win?
Who win?
Are we not going to win?
Who win? Oh,
I have told them, similar Fubara and Ngozodu, there's nothing anybody can do. Not me be God who will bring them. Do you understand me?
Yes, so
Not be me be God who will bring
them.
Takina and George Ineme are young boys who have been in the state assembly and who have understood the way this government operates. And therefore, it became imperative that they must continue so that they know what to put for the people of Africa. You know what happened in National Assembly last time? It is not easy for a woman to have the courage to say, look, you can't do what you want to do. This is democracy. This is not dictatorship.
Yes.
And that's the kind of people we like that have the courage that will tell the authorities no. And no is what?
No.
No is what?
No.
Yes is what?
Yes.
So that is why we are sending her to go to the Green Chambers, which is the House of Representatives. Of course, your daughter, my deputy governor, who had done so well, will say, look, go there, you too speak grammar, go meet them there, your people are there, the grammar people are there, grammar versus grammar, grammar versus
Grammar.
they will jam there, not be so?
Not so.
So go there and speak Queen's English. Leave us where they here, local people here, to talk them the way we fit understand them. Not be so?
Not so.
Not be so?
Not so.
The other one, we don't decide. Your leaders will tell you what would they do. Not be so?
Not so.
Not be so?
Not so.
Everybody, Melembe.
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 Don't rush. Do you understand me? Don't
Rush.
And let me tell, I was in Opopo the other day, and I told somebody, and I thought by now I should have. I said, look, 2014, I resigned to run for governor of Rivers State. I was not sacked. I resigned to contest, and I contested, and I won. You, tell the people why they sack you. Tell them why they sack you. Don't allow people whose hands are not clean, people who move from one party to the other. They ran under ACN for governor. We defeated them. Now they came back. They are not talking about PDP Rivers State. We will not allow those who have bad records to come and lead our party in this state. Will you allow it?
No way.
Will you allow it?
No way.
I said in Opopo, my hands are clean.
Very clean.
No blood stain. If you know your own, say, come out and stand before the public.
No way.
I said, me too, my hands are clean.
No
you see
way.
where people never say, cannot be so, cannot be so.
Not be so.
Cannot be so. The thing, the blood, free there. So, they said, I would deny them venue. I did not deny anybody venue. It's based on security report. Now they are jubilating that I have helped them because they cannot even fill that stadium. They are my brothers. I don't want them to be disgraced. But if I were there, they should have come out, oh, police, they say, yes, that they are happy. I have pushed them away from them because everybody knows they have no capacity.
No way.
To fill the Adekia Mesmaka Stadium. So let's continue to work together and shine your. I've been hearing SDP talk. I've been hearing the gubernatorial candidate talk this. I've never said anything one day. I have never. But one day, when I will speak about them, you go shut down. You go pepper them. You go shut down.
We can pepper them. Yes, we can pepper them. Yes, we can pepper them.
and campaign. Stop raising unnecessary alarm. Every day, alarm on social media. We know people's antecedents. We know people who have feigned that they were shot before without no doctor's report from anywhere. Every time election comes, it's only shouting, killing or no killing. That cannot make anybody to be popular.
No way.
Telling lies cannot make you to be popular.
No
If
way.
you lie, go to the media 200,000 times, you cannot be
Popular.
Popularity is not in the social media.
No way.
Popularity is not in the electronic media.
No.
Popularity is not in the print media. Popularity is between the you and the people.
Now so.
You and the
People.
All of us know ourselves. You know us. You know who will tell you he will do something and he will do it.
Yes, sir.
You know who will tell you he will do something and he will not do it.
Yes, sir.
Everybody in this country knows who I am. I say yes, it's my yes.
Now so.
I say no, it's my no. Nobody can intimidate me to do what I don't want to do. I'm not one of those who will go and settle to sell their people's interests. I won't do that. Certainly not to me. So tell them to be careful. Go and campaign to the people. If they want to vote for you, let them vote for you. What is wrong in complying with the law? Comply with the law. This is a school here. We paid and we have come here. If you are not ready for the politics, go and sit down. This politics is a serious business.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
It's a serious
Business.
It's not to be every day crying. Why not be a baby at once? If you are not prepared, go and sit down. We are prepared. That's why you see us moving everywhere. We are not afraid of it. The people know we have come here, we have done something. And that is what it is. It's not every day cry, petition. So I thank the people of Saritoro for coming out in your numbers to receive us. Some of them, this rally is like a presidential rally in their state. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
When they see this is just one local government rally, do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Then you see them dancing. I say, what's wrong with this people? So if we put this local government like 10 now, do you understand me?
No road.
Put this crowd like 10, it will be African rally. So I'm happy, and I know all of you are happy. God will bless you people. This is a young man. We are now becoming elder statesmen. We are going back to take care of our grandchildren, while them as young people should not interface with you. This is the time for the youth. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
This is the time for the youth. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Youth, are you not happy?
We are happy.
Are you not happy?
We are happy.
If somebody at this age will become governor of, you know what River State is? Do you know what they call River State? To be governor of River State, do you know what it is? The Nigeria will respect you.
Yes, sir.
It's not like any other state. It's a very, very important state. So the youth, this is your
Time.